Yo, this is Quentin Richardson sitting here chopping it up with the young boy, Jayson Tatum. This is City Ties, New Era NBA City Edition. When you were coming up, right, we all dream it. We all want to make the NBA and play in the NBA and things like that and be a star and do all those things. Did you ever dream that you would be playing for the Boston Celtics?
My favorite player, my idol was Kobe, and everybody know that. So I didn't like the Celtics at all growing up. Like I only grew up, I was like, man, I'm gonna play for the Lakers. I'm gonna play for the Lakers. So I never honestly, I didn't even know where Boston was at. Like I knew it was on the East Coast, but I never been there. I never thought about going there. And then when I got drafted, I'm like, man, it's kind of crazy. Like I used to hate the Celtics. And now, I'm here and it worked out. Like everything happened for a reason. I'm extremely thankful, to be here with this opportunity.
So tell me this, do you still have your draft night hat at all? Do you have it? Where is it? Do you know where it is?
Yeah, it's I don't know if you can see it, but it's back there on that basketball. I kind of keep all my awards, accolades, and special things up on there. So yeah, for sure, I got my draft cap.
Hey, listen, that's so long ago. I know my pop still got it, but I literally don't. Question that I love to know: when you got that bag after getting drafted, we all come from humble beginnings and stuff like that. What did you do? Was it a watch? Was it some jewelry? Was it a whip? Was it a house? What did you do to treat yourself?
I got a Range Rover, a white and black Range Rover, like the big body one, and I still got it. And I'll never forget, I was in Boston by myself, and I remember the truck, they dropped it off in front of the apartment building. And I remember I was like, yo, I'm 19, I got a Range Rover. I remember it was a man walking his dog down the street. And I was like, yo, take my phone. I sat on top of the car. And I was like, yo, you gotta take a picture of me.
I know. You a big time mama's boy. And we all, you gotta take care of mom too. So once it's locked in our mind, like, okay, we going, like we getting there. Like, so right. What was it that you decided, like, all right, I can't wait to do this for my mom? What did you do for her?
At the time, it was 2000, I got drafted 17, it was 2017 Platinum Escalade. But for me, it's like, me and my mama, that's like my best friend, right? So even now, we live next door to each other. It's funny, it's like my mom be like, Ma, you don't have to ask me for anything. Like, what I got, you got. I just got 190, whatever, like, that's yours too. So, like, my money is yours. You the reason I'm here. You took care of me, off the strength for so long. So, like, yeah, like, you don't have to, like, Ma, you don't have to ask me for anything. Whatever you want, you see, you want to go somewhere, like, just do it. Like, that's the least I can do to return the favor. Whatever my mama wants, she can have it.
Head to neweracap.com, the only place to pick up a New Era NBA City Edition 5950.